Hello friends, this is Sunan Subramaniam here, commodity fundamental analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and today I'll be talking about three commodities in the MCX and NCDX complex. The first commodity that I will have to touch upon is on gold, and gold has seen quite a bearish momentum in the past couple of days, with a steep decline in the past few days back. This is majorly due to optimistic news in the global markets regarding the possible COVID-19 vaccine with 90% effectiveness and 95% effectiveness based on the initial reports. This has eventually brought cheers in the global markets, and the global equity market has shown a bullish rally in the past couple of days. Looking ahead, we can expect that the MCX gold futures to remain bearish as we have ended with the Diwali season buying, and there is no major demand as such in the domestic markets. Moreover, there are reports that the global economic situation is showing good amount of improvement, though there are still worries in the European Union and US markets regarding possible second wave of COVID-19 situation, which could limit extreme bearishness. Furthermore, the US dollar index is at this point of time trading volatile, not showing major rally on the upside nor on the downside. But then there are still hopes that the US dollar index to remain supported in the coming weeks. So this would eventually put pressure in other asset classes, which would include gold, and we could expect that the MCX gold futures to remain bearish in the coming week ahead. Overall, I'm expecting a bearish trend in MCX gold futures, and I'm expecting the prices to come down to 49,500 to 49,000 in the week ahead. There is a strong support levels around 49,900 levels, but then if it breaks that level, then we are sure to expect a bearish rally to 49,500 and 49,000 in the week ahead. The second commodity that I will have to touch upon is on cotton, and cotton has shown a strong bullish rally in the past couple of weeks. This is majorly due to reports of lower production in the major states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat by approx 15 to 20%. With lower sowing and lower yields in the domestic market, the production has been reported to be lower, and there is reports of expectancy of higher exports from India during this year as compared to the previous year. Moreover, CCI has also proclaimed that this year's exports and procurement is likely to be higher by compared to previous year by approx 10 to 15%, which is another factor that can keep the prices supported in the near future. In addition to that, we can also expect that the domestic demand to be relatively higher as compared to the arrivals in Rajkot Mandi, which is another clear factor that the demand is likely to exceed the supplies in the domestic market. Overall, I am expecting a bullish trend in MCX cotton futures, and prices are expected to move up to 20,500 levels in the week ahead. If anyone is looking for a long position in MCX cotton futures, we can expect that the cotton futures by the end of December month could witness a bullish momentum up to 21,000 levels. The last commodity that I will have to touch upon is on cottonseed oilcake. And cottonseed oilcake is also expected to witness a bullish rally along with MCX cotton futures amid the lower production in the domestic markets. Moreover, there is higher demand for cottonseed oil as vegetable oil prices is showing a good amount of rally, which is mainly palm oil and soya oil in the past couple of weeks, and the rally is likely to continue in the weeks ahead. Since India is likely to import lower amount of vegetable oils in this year compared to the previous year, as India is moving towards becoming more self-reliant, so the cottonseed oil and cottonseed oil cake prices both are expected to show a bullish rally in the coming weeks. Though cottonseed oil is not much of an essential commodity as compared to refined oil and palm oil, but then since the vegetable oil prices are expected to remain bullish in the near future, we can also expect that the cottonseed oil and cottonseed oil cake prices to remain bullish in the coming weeks. Overall, I am expecting a bullish trend in NCDX cottonseed oil cake futures, and prices are expected to move up to 2,200 levels in the week ahead. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.